How to connect PS5 controller to Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, on your controller, click on these two buttons together. After you've clicked on these two buttons together, it will turn on Bluetooth on your controller. Now in your PC, at the bottom, click on the arrow-like icon. Then click on Bluetooth. After you've clicked on Bluetooth icon, you will find Add a Bluetooth device at the top. Click on Add a Bluetooth device. After that, click on Add Bluetooth or other device at the top. Then, in here, click on the Bluetooth option at the top. After that, you'll find your controller in here. Simply click on your controller and it will be connected. This is how to connect PS5 controller to Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.